So sentences. So the first letter of a sentence is often a capital, well, it is a capital letter. They start with a capital letter and end on a punctuation mark. A full stop, perhaps. Full stop. A question mark. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Question mark. Full stop. Sometimes even an ellipses, which is dot, 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 like these, to continue the conversation. We were going to go. Don't you want to? Are you going to? Why do you think they? An ellipses. Yeah, nice. So, I watered. I, capital I. I watered the plants. I watered the tree. Okay, very nice. We built. Only we, the W is capitalized. Not the built, not the B, not the watered, not the water. We built anything. Who? Who built? We built the house. Who built that house? Who? Capital letter. They played the music. T, capital T. She played the music, did she? Capital S. Do you think? D, capital E. Do you think they know the answer? Do you think they did it? Do you think he saw it? She played the music? Really? She played on the stage? Oh, really? Okay then. Okay. And as the sentence ends with a question mark or full stop or exclamation mark, the next sentence begins, and that first letter is capitalized. Do you think? Maybe. Do you think they saw us? Question mark. Maybe. Capital M. Maybe. She played on stage? Yes. Did she play on stage? Yes. Full stop. Yes. They played the piano. What else? They played the piano. Full stop. What else? What else? Capital letter. Question mark. What else did they play? What else? Who built the house? I think he did. I think. I think he did. How cool is that? We built the house. It is right over there. Oh, 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 I see it. I see it. I watered the trees. I watered the plants. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.